evening. What do you want to do tonight?
Same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
Welcome back to my channel. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. This is a YouTube video I've made I've got some customers who's having a bit of difficulty on their computer. All right, so this is basically a tutorial video, right? Probably a lot of people using, you may know some apps, right, that you can use to the easiest way to remote control a laptop or a desktop for your office. All right, so this is TeamViewer. Some people use LogMeIn. There's a bunch of apps, right, that you can use. Some are free trials, some are free to use, some are paid. It's a premium software, so you can use it to do a remote repair or remote control to your desktop or to your laptop, right? It's the easiest way. But probably when using Windows 10, all right, there are some bugs since it's not updated. All right, if you don't have an IT guy, right, or you don't know how to update the security features, right, so there will be some bugs, right? So if you don't update the security features, right, so Windows always have this security patches that you can patch, right, and download and patch, so all the drivers will work. For example, you have a Bluetooth, right, connection that you can't fix it, right? So you want to do a remote fixing, right, but from your mobile, right, but it can't have an access, probably because of IP restrictions. There are some IP restrictions, or probably because of these mobile line which you can't access to other IP, which some computer system, they have this firewall which block some IPs from international connections from other locations other than their own country. So you have this kind of problem where you can't do a remote control via TeamViewer or LogMeIn, right? So what you do is, if you have this kind of problem, you can always use remote desktop Google, right? Remote Google Chrome, right? So this remote Chrome, it's built by Google, right? It's free to use as long as you have an email. The easiest way, you can access it any desktop or any laptop that have Chrome, right? Which Google Chrome, you use it for browsing the internet, right? You can use it using this app by Google, Remote Chrome, right? It's the easiest way. As long as you have an email, you can use it. The only difficult is if you're using a Linux, you can't use it, right? So it's a great app to use for remote control, right? So if you like this video, kindly give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell for me. All right, ciao.